Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here then I'm Sushmita and you're watching Indian Beauty Queen channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can make your own vitamin C serum easily at home without using vitamin C tablets. This serum helps to reduce uneven skin tone, pimples, breakouts, pigmentation. It reduces the signs of aging and wrinkles. So there are various vitamin C serums available in market these days, but they are a bit expensive. If you consider Saint Botanics, it's a very good brand, but it costs around 1500 rupees. So let's prepare our own vitamin C serum in an affordable range. It's cost effective and really it works effective too. So yeah, without wasting any more further time, let's get started. But before starting the video, if you are new here, then do subscribe and click that bell icon to get notified about all my latest video updates. To prepare this, we need Good Vibes orange shell, sweet almond oil, rose water, orange essential oil, and finally you need baby oil. Now let's move on to the process. Take a clean bowl and spoon. Into this I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of Good Vibes orange shell. Instead of orange shell you can also use lemon shell also, because it's also rich in vitamin C. You can either use orange shell or lemon shell, it's your choice. Add sweet almond oil, around 1 spoon of this sweet almond oil. Next you need to add baby oil. So add nearly 1 spoon of this. Instead of this you can also use vitamin E capsules. Now give it a very good mix. Next I'm going to add rose water. Add 1 tablespoon of this rose water. You can add 1 or 2 tablespoons to get the right consistency. Now mix it very well. And finally you need to add orange essential oil. You can either use orange essential oil or lemon essential oil. So just add 4 to 5 drops of this essential oil. That's it. So mix it again. Our vitamin C serum is ready. Now let's see how to use this serum. Apply this serum before going to bed and wash off in the morning. Here I am using a dropper and taking sufficient amount of this serum and dotting it on my skin and massaging into my skin. It absorbs surely very nicely and quickly. So apply this serum daily so that you can see visible results and you can see spotless, clear and glowing skin. You need to store this in a glass bottle and store it in refrigerator to increase its shelf life. So that's it guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video may be helpful for you guys, and if you like my channel then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next video, see you all, bye.